Sometimes in our life even small issues could bring difficult situations. One among those little issues are hiccups. Diaphragm is the primary muscle used in the process of inhalation. Hiccups happens when the diaphragm experiences contractions suddenly. This contractions will force to close the space between vocal cords and thus hiccups comes out. The causes of hiccups includes eating too fast, staying long without food, chewing gums, drinking carbonated drinks, irregular food habits, etc. How to eliminate hiccups? Tip number 1. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath without exhaling for the maximum possible time. Tip number 2. Keep a teaspoonful of sugar inside your mouth. Slowly let it melt inside the mouth and intake slowly by 1 or 2 minutes. Tip number 3. If both the above tips doesn't work, try this. Grind some dried ginger with honey and make a mix. Have this mix. This is really an excellent remedy for hiccups. Please subscribe for more health-related videos.